Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can find Snapchat password if you forgot it. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your device settings and locate Google accounts. Open it up and make sure your correct Google account is selected on which your Snapchat is linked. Now just tap on manage account and from the top option select security. Scroll down inside it and locate password manager. Open it up and you can see all of your saved passwords are located here. Either just look for Snapchat by scrolling, or you can just use the search bar at the top, and after you find it, just tap on it and find out your password. And that's it. This is basically how you can find your Snapchat password if you forgot it. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.